In today's episode, we're heading into the world of tiny living, but with an unexpected twist. This is no ordinary small home. It's a surprisingly comfortable tiny house whose location remains a guarded secret. Tucked somewhere off-grid, surrounded by untouched nature, this compact dwelling challenges everything we think we know about living simply, beautifully, and sustainably. As we approach the house, first impressions are instantly disarming. Despite its tiny footprint, the structure radiates warmth and familiarity. Clean lines, handcrafted wooden textures, and thoughtful proportions suggest that comfort wasn't sacrificed for simplicity. Instead, every square inch is designed with intention, giving you a sense of luxury without excess. The exterior features a blend of natural materials, sustainably sourced wood, stone accents, and wide glass openings that blur the border between inside and outside. This design philosophy reflects a balance between modern minimalism and nature-driven architecture. The house invites natural light while staying protected from the elements, proving that small structures can still feel expansive. Stepping inside, the living room becomes the first major reveal. Soft lighting, multifunctional furniture, and clever storage solutions define the space. Despite its compact size, the room feels airy thanks to high ceilings and carefully placed windows. This is a space designed not just for sitting, but for relaxing, reconnecting, and enjoying life at a slower pace. The kitchen is a masterpiece of organization and design. With streamlined cabinetry, energy-efficient appliances, and a fold-out dining counter, every detail is engineered for both convenience and beauty. Whether you're preparing a simple meal or hosting an intimate dinner, this tiny kitchen proves that compact living doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. Climb the sturdy steps to the sleeping loft, and you'll discover a surprisingly spacious retreat. The warm glow from soft bedside lamps, paired with natural wood textures, creates a cozy sanctuary. Thick insulation keeps the loft warm at night and cool during the day, making it an ideal space to unwind, recharge, and embrace total comfort. Even the bathroom reflects ingenious design choices. A space-saving sliding door, a full-size shower, and a clever storage niche showcase how thoughtfully designed tiny homes can feel just as functional as traditional houses. Eco-friendly fixtures support an off-grid lifestyle, ensuring water and energy conservation without compromising daily comfort. The most fascinating part of this hidden tiny house might be its off-grid infrastructure. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and an efficient graywater system work together to provide complete self-sufficiency. This allows the residents to enjoy modern comforts while remaining fully disconnected from conventional utilities, proof that sustainable living can be both smart and stylish. Despite all its beauty, one question lingers. Where is this tiny house actually located? Its secluded spot is intentionally kept private, nestled deep in nature, far away from noise and crowds. This hidden paradise invites viewers to imagine their own version of escape, a place where tranquility reigns and daily stress fades into the background. In the end, this very comfortable tiny house isn't just a living space, it's a statement. It shows that thoughtful design, sustainable features, and creative architecture can transform even the smallest structures into dream homes. Hidden away in its secret off-grid haven, it reminds us that sometimes the best places aren't the biggest, they're simply the most meaningful.